it. Can you repeat after me?
C'est rouge. C'est rouge. C'est bleu. C'est bleu. C'est jaune. C'est jaune. C'est marron. C'est marron. C'est vert. C'est vert. C'est orange. C'est orange. C'est noir. C'est noir. C'est blanc. C'est blanc. C'est gris. C'est gris. C'est rose. C'est rose. C'est violet. C'est violet.
Here we have 4 different phonemes or sounds. So I want you to listen carefully and try the words after. Is on, A-N, on. And you have to use a little bit your nose when you pronounce. Comme blanc, as the word blanc is the color white. The second one is EU. We pronounce them E, like the word bleu. The word bleu, blue. The third one is O and I together, and we pronounce them wa, like W-A, wa, as the word noir. And the last one is ER. When it is in the middle of the word, we pronounce it air, as the word vert. Can you record yourself saying all these colors? Now you have to choose your crown. So if you decide to do the blue crown, you need to match up the colors in French and English, and I want you to do this using color pencils. If you want to do the white crown, so in this case you will have to find all the colors in the word search. And if you decide to do the red crown, there is a lot of things to do in the red crown actually. So you need to start by finishing the crossword first, and then you have to write all the colors in the table at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to do the right part. And the right part, you have all the apples to color with the different colors, of course. And the last part is completing the missing letters of the words for colors. Good luck. Au revoir.